My heart beats for you, Lord. My mind thinks of your great love. My lungs fill up with breath deep inside my chest as I praise your holy name.